Ever wondered what AMR is and why it's a global health priority? AMR, or antimicrobial resistance, is when microorganisms such as bacteria, viruses, fungi, and parasites change in ways that render the medications used to cure the infections they cause ineffective. It's a global health priority because it threatens our ability to treat common infectious diseases, resulting in prolonged illness, disability, and even death. Now, try to imagine a world where antibiotics no longer work. A simple cut could become a life-threatening infection. Routine surgeries could become high-risk procedures. This is the world we could face if antibiotic resistance continues to rise and we do nothing to stop it. To understand how we can prevent this, we first need to understand how antibiotics work and how they are classified. Antibiotics, the wonder drugs of the 20th century, are classified into different types based on their chemical structure, mechanism of action, and spectrum of activity. There are 4 main classes of antibiotics: penicillins, cephalosporins, macrolides, and quinolones. Each of these classes works in a unique way to destroy or inhibit the growth of bacteria. Penicillins, for example, work by interfering with the ability of bacteria to form cell walls. Cephalosporins, on the other hand, are broad-spectrum antibiotics that can be used to treat a wide variety of infections. Macrolides are particularly effective against bacteria that live inside host cells, like those that cause pneumonia. Finally, quinolones are synthetic antibiotics that interfere with the bacteria's DNA replication process. But how does AMR occur? Antimicrobial resistance happens when microorganisms are exposed to antimicrobial drugs and evolve to resist them. This can occur through spontaneous mutation or by acquiring resistance from another microorganism. Overuse and misuse of antibiotics speed up the process of antimicrobial resistance. So why is AMR a global health priority? It's because AMR threatens global health, food security, and development today. Without effective antibiotics, the success of major surgery and cancer chemotherapy would be compromised. The cost of healthcare for patients with resistant infections is higher than care for patients with non-resistant infections due to longer duration of illness, additional tests, and use of more expensive drugs. How can we prevent AMR? The prevention and control of AMR requires a strategic, coordinated, and sustained effort. It involves a comprehensive approach known as One Health, which is necessary because antimicrobials used to treat various infectious diseases in animals and humans are often the same. In conclusion, AMR is a serious global health threat that requires immediate attention. Understanding how antibiotics work and how they are classified is the first step in combating this issue. By using antibiotics responsibly and investing in research and development of new antibiotics, diagnostics, vaccines, and other tools, we can ensure a future where antibiotics remain an effective tool against infection.